guys, I'm back again. My name is Cameron. Today I'm gonna show how to download a video from Facebook. Okay, let's get started. First, let's open Mozilla Firefox and let's open Facebook. Let's select a video and let's copy the video URL. Paste on the address bar. Instead of www, let's replace with m. And you will see a mobile version. Let's click play. And right click, set video as save. Boom, finish. Let's take the video. Here we go. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.